Hello students, today you are doing capitalization method. Okay, capitalization of super profit method. What is capitalization of super profit method? Already I have discussed in previous video. Problem number 1 and 2. In this video you are doing question number 3. Okay, problem. Okay, where is capitalization method is given in the goodwill, page number 2.22. Page number 2.22 of your TS Grewal book. Okay, this question is already given. Whenever you will open, then you can see these questions. Okay, I am going to this problem. I am going to solve this problem. Please see it. How will you solve it? Please see it. Okay, capitalization of average, capitalization of super profit method. At first, see the question properly and understand it. What is the problem? Average profit of the firm is 1,50,000. 1,50,000 is given. Average profit of the firm is 1,50,000 is given. Clear? Total liability in the firm is 14 lakh. Liability is also given 14 lakh. Clear? And in the same type of business, the normal rate of return is 10%. Normal rate of return is 10% of the capital method. Calculate the value of goodwill by capitalization of super profit method. Now we are going to calculate the value of goodwill by capitalization of super profit method. At first we know very well, we calculate capital employed of the firm. Okay, so this is solution. Clear? How will you solve it? Please see it. Okay, capital employed we know very well the formula of capital employed: total tangible assets minus outside liability. Total tangible assets minus outsiders liabilities. Okay, total tangible assets minus outside liabilities. Clear? Total tangible assets is what? Already given. For 14 lakh minus 4 lakh. 14 lakh is total tangible assets. Total tangible assets is given 14 lakh. There you write 14 lakh minus outside liabilities. Average profit of the firm, liability is 4 lakh. Outside liability is 4 lakh. Okay. Then here you will minus it. 10 lakh rupees. 10 lakh. This is capital employed. Clear? This is capital employed is 10 lakh. And that's normal profit is equal to normal profit. We know very well the formula of normal profit: capital employed into normal rate of return. We know very well the formula of normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. Clear? Capital employed into normal rate of return divided by 100. Capital employed into normal rate of return. Normal rate of return divided by 100. Divided by 100. Capital employed 10 lakh. 10 lakh capital employed, 10 lakh into normal rate of return. Normal rate of return is 10%. 10 divided by 100. Please calculate it. With 10 lakh into 10 divided by 100. 1 lakh. How much? Rupees 1 lakh. Please see it. Capital capital employed into normal rate of return divided by 100. The 10 lakh into 10 divided by 100 is equal to 1 lakh. Clear? This is normal profit. Now we are finding it super profit. Okay, we know the variable of super profit is equal to super profit. Super profit is equal to formula we know very well, average profit minus normal profit. Average profit minus normal profit. Average profit is already given. Average profit is already given. 1,50,000 minus 1 lakh. Average profit is already given here. 1,50,000. 1 lakh. Average profit is already given. Average profit of the firm is 1,50,000. Clear? Average profit of the firm is 1,50,000. Clear? The 1,50,000 already given. The 1,50,000 is average profit. Average profit is 1,50,000 minus normal profit is 1 lakh. Okay, minus normal profit is 1 lakh. Clear? Normal profit is 1 lakh. Clear? 1 lakh. No, average profit minus normal profit. 10 lakh, 10%. 10 lakh of 10%. This is 10 lakh, 10%, 1 lakh. So 1,50,000 minus 1 lakh is equal to 50,000. Clear? This is super profit. We have calculated super profit. We know very well the formula of goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit. Goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Okay, goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Super profit how much? 50,000 into 100 divided by 10. Super profit is 50,000. Super profit is 50,000. Super profit is 50,000. Clear? Super profit is 50,000. This is super profit 50,000. Clear? 50,000 into 100 divided normal rate of return already given 10%. Then calculate it 5 lakh. 5 lakh. This is answer. Okay, 5 lakh is answer. 3,000 into 100 divided by 10. Okay, please see it. At first I have calculated capital employed. This is answer 5 lakh. Okay, please see the question at first, how I have calculated it. Please see it. Please see it. Please see it. And please take a screenshot if it requires. You can take a screenshot also. Taken a screenshot? Very good. Please see it again. Capital employed is equal to total tangible assets minus outside liability. The 14 lakh minus 4 lakh is equal to 10 lakh. Normal rate of return capital employed into normal rate of return divided by 100. Divided by 100. So 10 lakh into 10 divided by 100 is equal to 1 lakh. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. 1,50,000 minus 1 lakh. 1 lakh from where? So 10 lakh. 10 lakh is capital employed. Capital employed is 10 lakh. 10 lakh. 10% is 1 lakh. Okay? 1 lakh. 10 lakh. 10 lakh. 10%. 1 lakh. Clear? 1 lakh I have written. 1,50,000 minus 1 lakh is equal to 50,000. Goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Super profit is 50,000 into 100 divided by 10 is equal to 5 lakh. This is answer. So in this video I have discussed capitalization of super profit method. Okay. In next video I will discuss next topic. Thanks for watching this video. Okay.